Today we're going to be talking about meditation and specifically how to meditate. So hit the like and subscribe button, strap yourself in, and let's get into it. No matter what anyone may try to tell you, meditation is extremely simple. People just like to overcomplicate it. It doesn't require any equipment, you don't need any specific types of clothes, you don't need to download any apps, and it definitely doesn't require you to pay thousands of dollars so that you can finally learn it. Meditation can be done anywhere, anytime, except maybe not while driving or operating heavy machinery. That might be dangerous. Meditation is a fluid and truly free practice that simply requires your attention. And that's it. Simply put, meditation is the act of paying attention, of concentrating your mind on something. And whenever your mind begins to wander, which it will, to gently return it back to focus. And though it can be helpful for beginners to have someone to teach them how to meditate, like we're going to do in this video, it's not required. You truly don't need anyone's help. At the end of the day, your success with meditation comes down to you and your ability to stay focused. Now, there are many forms of meditation, but the earliest known records are from art pieces depicting meditators in India from 5,000 to about 3,500 BC. So that means that meditation is roughly 5,500 to 7,000 years old. And the earliest known written records of meditation come from the ancient Hindu scriptures called the Vedas from around 1500 BC. This is an extremely old practice, and there's a reason why it's been around for so long. Now, with all that said, what I'd like to do with this video is to actually teach you newcomers how to meditate. So we're going to start with a basic form of meditation called Zen Meditation. Now understand that just because I say that it's basic doesn't at all take away from its validity or its power as a form of meditation. In fact, it's what I tend to practice most often. I prefer it. So the whole point of Zen is to focus your mind on your breath. You can either pay attention to the sensations of air going in and out of your nose, or you can pay attention to the sensations that you feel above your upper lip, or even still, you can pay attention to the rise and fall of your stomach as you're breathing. But for the sake of keeping this simple, let's just focus on the sensations that we feel inside of our noses as we breathe. So sit comfortably. If you prefer to sit on the floor or on a meditation cushion, feel free to do so. But again, the beauty of meditation is that it doesn't matter how you sit. All that matters is that you focus your attention. So let's start by closing our eyes. And let your breath just go as it will. Let it be natural. In and out, and in and out. Now we're going to start with 5 deep inhales, followed by very slow and controlled exhales. So here we go with number 1. Inhale real big. And exhale. Really control it. Real slow. And then inhale again. Deep, deep, deep. Exhale. Very slow. Inhale again. And exhale. Very slow and controlled. Inhale 4th time. And exhale, very slow. And deep once more. And exhale. Now relax. Let your breath go in and out. Inhale and exhale as it will. No need to try to control. Just let it go. We're going to pay attention to the sensations as we breathe, going on inside of our nose. Pay attention to how it feels. Pay attention to the temperature, the cool, brisk air as it enters, the smells, and the warm breath as it exits and leaves. Really focus and just watch. You'll notice as you keep going, your breath will begin to slow. And it becomes shallower and shallower. This is your mind and your body calming, resting, and at peace. Now, for the sake of this video and for the sake of your boredom of having to watch me meditate, I'm going to let you take it on your own from here. Just remember not to get frustrated. Your mind will wander. That's its nature. Just revert your attention once you've noticed that it's gone off course. And as time goes on and your concentration gets stronger, your mind will wander less and less. So, I hope that this video was educational and a nice intro into the practice. I'm a longtime meditator myself, having practiced it for over 5 years now. I've learned a lot about it along the way, but honestly, I've primarily learned a lot more about myself. A lot about stress and emotions and how crazy the mind can be when untrained. And all of this you too can learn as you grow with meditation. So hit that like and subscribe button. And as always, my friends, improve your body, improve your mind, improve the world. There's no music in the background. I'm just being weird.